I love you, my little baby. You make me so happy. I embody you, my little baby. You in your wet nappy.
Hello.
Welcome to BabyPrideJourney. My name is Ariane.
And I'm Greg.
And we're here today to talk into your participation in our BabyPrideJourney offerings. For some of you, you might ask yourself, they're talking about activities and plays, but do I need to have a partner? Or do I need to find a partner myself there? Or how is it working with the partner choice?
What if I feel all alone and nobody wants me?
Exactly. What if this baby stays alone? Or what if I'm a man and I would like to be partnered up with a woman and then I come to be partnered up with a man? Could this be possible? So we know that there might be in new babies a lot of these things and these feelings coming up when you feel into participating as a baby in a Zoom playground. So we want to talk into how does it work in our baby life, in our baby pride journeys with the choice of partner.
I have a lot of experience with different kinds of spaces, and yes, maybe some people will want to work with one gender or one kind of people than the other, but so much of what we're doing is actually just about another human being, and you will be able to rotate and change, or if you feel much more safe with one person and stay with one person for most of it, but there will be a space and consciousness to help you feel safe and feel seen by not just one person, by several people, and also by the whole group.
Exactly. If you know that you have a certain preference for a partner when you register to our events, there will be a field for you to type in your preferences so we can see into making that available. If you're a very cisgender heterosexual man and you don't want to do anything together with another man, this is fine as well. Just be aware and tell us this in your communication. Otherwise, BabyPrideJourney is a space where we're practicing inclusion of different sexual expressions, inclusion of different gender identities. So for us, it's about really finding the sweet spot of safety within ourselves, no matter what is the person on the other end. It's about really finding the somatic resources inside of us to create this feeling of safety with whomever we are facing.
Yes. So much of what we stand for is come into contact in the moment with what's authentic and based on what both people want to do. If what you're looking for is an experience of sexual arousal pure with your fantasy, then there's another space for that. What we're inviting is for you to be in contact with us, and I think this will be very rewarding.
Exactly. So come, babies, and let's crowd up and dive into BabyPrideJourney. See you there.
See you.